Hi there, I'm here at Unit 319 at Aventura in Aventura, Florida. We are renting this unit for seasonal rental. The building allows 3 months minimum, and we are here showing the unit, and I decided to make a little video to give you a tour. It's a cute little unit and has 1 bedroom, 1 bath, but super cute and faces the pool, which I will show you in a minute. It has a little balcony overlooking the pool. It's fully turnkey, beautiful. We are asking $2,500 per month, and the building is a full service building, has everything. Here we have wash and dryer, plenty of closets, here's the master, which is the only bedroom, and it has a Roman tavern. Oh. If we don't rent today, send us an offer. $2,500 per month and a $200 cleaning fee. Bye.